Welcome, home bakers, to a world of sweet, zesty delight. Today I'm giving you a playful twist on a classic cocktail, Moscow Mule Cookies. Imagine the bright flavors of ginger, fresh lime, and mint all wrapped up in a soft, chewy cookie. Let's make a batch together that's sure to impress at any gathering or to treat yourself on a cozy night in. First, let's round up our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, the zest of 1 lime, a 1/4 cup of lime juice, and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. Totally optional, but so worth it. Make sure everything's at room temperature so it all blends together nicely. Ready? Let's get mixing. Start by creaming together your butter, sugar, and brown sugar in a big bowl. Mix until it's light and fluffy. Think about 2 or 3 minutes with an electric mixer. Add in your egg and blend until it's totally combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and ginger. Slowly add your dry mix to the wet mixture. Then stir in the lime zest, lime juice, and that fresh chopped mint if you're feeling adventurous. Give it a whiff. Your kitchen should already smell amazing. Wrap it in plastic wrap, shape it into a disc, and let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour. If you can let it sit overnight, the flavors will really pop. And hey, while you wait, pour yourself a Moscow Mule. I won't tell. Once your dough is chilled, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 Celsius. Scoop the dough into 1-inch balls and lay them out on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving a bit of space between each. Give them a gentle press if you like your cookies on the flatter side. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until the edges are golden. Let them cool on the tray for a couple of minutes, then move them to a wire rack. Now for the sparkle. Dust the cooled cookies with a little powdered sugar. Want even more zing? Mix some lime juice with powdered sugar to make a glaze, then drizzle it over the top. Finish with a fresh mint leaf for a burst of color. To store, make sure the cookies are completely cool. Pop them in an airtight container, layering with parchment paper if you need. They'll stay fresh at room temperature for about a week, or you can freeze them for up to 3 months. Pair these cookies with a Moscow Mule, a cozy chamomile tea, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or even some dark chocolate. Play around with your pairings. You might find a new favorite combo. And that's it. Homemade Moscow Mule Cookies. Zesty, spicy, sweet, and totally memorable. They're a conversation starter, a crowd pleaser, and a well-deserved treat for yourself. If you loved this, stick around for more delicious baking ideas.